back to my lecture series of Python, the lecture series 8. In previous series, we have discussed about the Python tuples. In this series, we will discuss about the Python dictionaries. So, what the Python dictionary are? We will discuss it about one by the following example. So, here, dictionary is an unordered set of key and value pair. Means the keys and values in a dictionary are not in a ordered set. Here 100 can be written here and 100 can be written here. Means order is not mandatory. It is a container that contains data enclosed within curly braces. All the data in the dictionary are enclosed within a curly braces. The pair that is key and value is known as item. Here 100 is a key and the value which is given in that key is Ravi, which is a value, and this whole key and value together is known as an item. The key passed in the item must be unique. This key 100, 101, 102 must be unique. There must not be 200s used in a single dictionary. The key and the value is separated by a colon. This pair is known as item. Here, this 100 is key, Ravi is value, and this both are separated by a colon, and the items are separated by comma, and the two items are separated by a comma. Different items are enclosed within a curly braces, as we have already discussed here. Now, this is a dictionary, and we have talked about how the dictionary looks like. When we print the dictionary with its name, the output we get is this: the key, then value, comma, key, value, comma, the third key and the third value. Here are some important notes which we must know, that is, dictionary is mutable, that is, value can be updated. Key must be unique and immutable, that is, key must not be changed or updated. Value is accessed by key. Value can be updated while key cannot be changed. Dictionary is known as associative array since the key works as index and they are decided by the user. Here we will see an example of Python dictionary. Here we have a null dictionary plant 1. Here the key is 1 and it has a value Ravi. Plant 2, here the key is 2 and the value is Manoj. Plant name, here the key name has the value Hari, and plant 4 where the key 4 has the value Om. When we print it one by one, we get plant 2 as Manoj, because here 2 is a key and the value stored in it is Manoj. Then plant name gives the output Hari, plant 1 gives the output Ravi, and when we print the plant, the whole dictionary, the whole value stored in it is executed, that is 1, 2, 4 and name. Now we will see how the values in a dictionary are accessed. Since index is not defined, a dictionary values can be accessed by their keys only. It means to access dictionary elements, we need to pass key associated to the value. Here we have given with a syntax dictionary name key. So we will see how we can access dictionary element by an example. Here we have a variable of dictionary type data1 which has the values ID 100, name Suresh, profession developer. The other variable data2 has the value items ID 101, name Ramesh, profession trainer. So we will see how we can access the items stored in these two dictionaries. When we print data1 ID, here in the dictionary data1, the key ID has the value 100. So it prints the value 100 here. Similarly, in data2 ID, it prints the value 101. 101. For data1 name, here it is Suresh. So it prints Suresh, and for here data2 profession, here it prints trainer. Now we will see how the Python dictionaries can be updated. The item, that is key value pair, can be updated. Updating means new item can be added. The values can be modified. Again, we will see it by an example. The same example we have as before. Here, in data 1, the key which has profession, here the value is developer, but we have updated it with a new value, that is manager. In data 2 salary, we have added a new element or key, we can say salary, in which the value 20,000 is stored. Similarly, in data 1, a new item or key is added, that is salary, in which the value 15,000 is stored. Now, when we print data 1 and data 2, the whole data 1 dictionary and data 2 dictionary are printed here, and here we can see the changes or updation, that is salary 15,000 and salary 20,000, means the two new entries. And here the change in profession in data 1, that is from developer to manager, as we have updated here. Now we will see how the Python dictionaries are deleted. Del statement is used for performing deletion operation. An item can be deleted from a dictionary using the key only. The delete syntax is del dictionary name key. Whole of the dictionary can also be deleted using the del statement. Again, we will see it by an example here. The dictionary variable data has the item 100 gram, 101 suraj, 102 aloo. Now, del data 101 will delete the item aloo. Now, print data will print the rest of the items stored in this dictionary, like here 100 gram, 101 suraj. Now, when we use the keyword del data, it will delete the whole of the dictionary. And again, when we will print this data, it will show an error since dictionary is deleted. See, here it is the error that name data is not defined. Now we will see Python dictionary functions and methods. Python dictionary supports the following functions: len dictionary, cmp dictionary 1, dictionary 2, str dictionary. Here are the descriptions given for the following functions: that len dictionary returns number of items in a dictionary. cmp dictionary 1, dictionary 2 compares the two dictionary, that is dictionary 1, dictionary 2 are compared by using the function cmp. By using str dictionary, it gives the string representation of a string. Now we will see about the Python dictionary methods. Here are the following methods of the Python dictionary and its description. We will see it one by one. First of all, keys. Keys are used to return all the key elements of a dictionary. Values returns all the value elements of a dictionary. Item is used to return all the items key value pair of a dictionary. Here a dictionary 2 is used to add items of a dictionary 2 to first dictionary. Okay, now clear. It is used to remove all items of a dictionary. It returns an empty dictionary. Now, from keys sequence, comma value, or from keys sequence. So what is its work? It is used to create a new dictionary from the sequence where sequence elements forms the key and all keys share the values value 1. In case value 1 is not given, it set the values of keys to be none. The function or method copy returns an ordered copy of the data. Hash underscore key, it returns a boolean value, true in case if key is present in the dictionary, else false. Now the last one, get key, it returns the value of the given key. If key is not present, it returns none. Thanks for watching. Keep watching my next lecture series. Thank you.